What's the meaning of cure-all? Cure-all. Cure-all.
Cure-all. Cure-all. Cure-all is a term used to describe a remedy or solution that is believed to be effective for treating many different problems or ailments. The implication is that the remedy can cure anything that ails a person. However, in reality, such a universal cure does not exist. The notion of a cure-all is often associated with exaggerated claims and unrealistic expectations. It's important to approach any remedy or solution with a critical eye, evaluate its effectiveness based on scientific evidence, and understand that different problems may require different approaches.